What's up, YouTube? Super quick video. It's a 2000 4Runner. It's a two-wheel drive, 3.4 liter V6, 5VZ-FE. And I'm just gonna show you straight from the car, under the hood, the vacuum diagram. And I will make a still out of this and let it run for like 30 seconds so you can screenshot it and save it. So good luck on any jobs. Check out my 2 videos where I replace all the vacuum lines. I'll link those down below. Keep in mind that this doesn't include the PCV system. The PCV valve and hose are right here on my finger. And then the other side of it, this fat hose, this metal tube, and this. So yours might look a little different. If you have a 2001 or 2002, they had a slightly different setup in the back there. And then if you have a 4-wheel drive, you will probably have a vacuum line here and possibly here for the 4x4. And then if you have an older one, you might have some EGR lines going over here, I think, possibly, and around the back, maybe. So hope that helps with the diagram. That's straight from the car. So subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and check out the playlist I have for all the little things that I've done for the 4Runner.
All right, you degenerates. 3rd gen, best gen. See ya.